Triquetra Cast Iron Cauldron Review. A witch's must-have. For witches, spiritual practitioners, and lovers of mystical decor, a cauldron is more than just a decorative piece. It is an essential tool for rituals, spellwork, and energy work. In this Triquetra Cast Iron Cauldron review, we will explore its durability, functionality, and overall value. The Crystalo Triquetra Cast Iron Cauldron promises a balance of beauty and strength, but does it truly live up to expectations? First impressions, sturdy and mystical. Unboxing this cauldron, the first thing that stands out is the solid cast iron construction. The Triquetra Cast Iron Cauldron review must acknowledge the weight and sturdiness of this piece, as it feels like something that can last a lifetime. The painted black finish adds a sleek, timeless appeal, while the embossed Triquetra symbol enhances its mystical presence. For those who practice Wicca, Druidry, or Pagan rituals, the Triquetra Cast Iron Cauldron holds significant symbolic meaning. The Triquetra, representing the power of three, aligns with many spiritual beliefs and adds an extra layer of energy to the cauldron. Size and portability. Small but mighty. A key factor in this Triquetra Cast Iron Cauldron review is its compact yet functional size. Measuring 4 inches in diameter and 5.25 inches in height with the lid, it is ideal for personal altar work and small-scale rituals. The secure lid ensures that ashes, herbs, or charcoal remain contained, and the sturdy handle allows for easy transport. Although small, it offers enough space for burning incense, mixing herbs, and holding spell ingredients. The 6-inch width from handle to handle also ensures a comfortable grip when moving it. Functionality. Ideal for ritual use. The Triquetra Cast Iron Cauldron review must highlight its versatility, as this piece can be used in a variety of spiritual practices. Some of its most effective uses include burning loose incense and resins. Works well with charcoal discs for ritualistic smoke. Herbal offerings and spellwork. Great for mixing herbs and burning small offerings. Candle magic provides a heat-resistant space for small candle rituals. Charging crystals and moon water can be used to hold water or crystals for cleansing. Since cast iron retains heat well, it is important to place the cauldron on a heat-resistant surface when using fire or charcoal. This Triquetra Cast Iron Cauldron review recommends using a ceramic plate or stone slab underneath to protect delicate surfaces. Is it truly oven-safe? One of the standout features mentioned in this Triquetra Cast Iron Cauldron review is its oven-safe capability. While most witches will not be baking inside their cauldron, this feature is useful for creating ritual oils, heating herbs, or preparing spell ingredients in a controlled manner. Pros and cons. Honest breakdown. Pros. Durable cast iron built to last a lifetime. Compact and portable. Easy to place on an altar or store when not in use. Versatile uses. Works for incense, herbs, spellwork, and small rituals. Secure lid and handle provides safety and convenience. Beautiful design. The embossed Triquetra symbol adds spiritual significance. Cons. Not for large fires. Too small for large-scale bonfire rituals. Requires maintenance. As with all cast iron, it needs occasional seasoning to prevent rust. Can get very hot. Needs to be placed on a heat-resistant surface when in use. Final verdict. A witch's must-have. This Triquetra Cast Iron Cauldron review confirms that the Crystalo Triquetra Cast Iron Cauldron is a must-have for any spiritual practitioner. It is well-crafted, durable, and versatile, making it an excellent tool for spellwork, rituals, and altar decoration. For those looking to invest in a compact and traditional cast iron cauldron, this Triquetra Cast Iron Cauldron review highly recommends it. With proper care, this cauldron will serve as a long-lasting and meaningful addition to any spiritual practice. Ready to add this mystical tool to your altar? Click the link in the description to get your Triquetra Cast Iron Cauldron on Amazon today.